And welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Today I'm going to buy a $10,000 account from this prop firm, and I'm going to explain to you why I've chosen this prop firm instead of choosing others. I have a lot of advantages that I have seen after going through a lot of prop firms. Then I find this one very useful and cheap, and I'm going to explain why I've chosen this one. So as you can see, they are offering three types of account. There's a total account, a held account, and an instant account. Those are three account types that they are offering. So through each of this one, there is a standard and aggressive one. There always a standard and aggressive one, and they have standard and aggressive. And from a total, they can offer you an account from $5,000 to $1 million account, and they can also offer you in a held account, they can offer it from $5,000 to right now it's just up to $100,000 account, and from instant they can offer you from 2,500 to 20,000. So the rest is coming soon. So I'm going to give you what are the benefits that I get from this account and why I'm choosing this prop firm instead of choosing others. So the one I prefer is actually the total, which is having only one challenge, one phase challenge, and then you get funded right away after you pass the challenge. You can see through all of them, even $1 million account, you only have one challenge and then you get funded right away. On the aggressive tab, you have also a challenge right here. You have a challenge and then you get funded. You have a challenge and then you get funded. But the difference is that on an aggressive account, they give you to reach a target of 20%, but on a standard account, they give you to reach a target of 10%, which is quite tiny, and you can reach this in in a couple of days. So let me explain to you why I have chosen this broker. So as you can see, for me, I said I want a $10,000 account. I want a $10,000 account. So as you can see, on a $10,000 account, I'm going to buy it only for 100 USD, which is quite cheap, very cheap. So, and I'm going to target a 10% profit profit on the total account. So, and I'm going to adhere to the rules that I don't need to lose at least I don't need to lose at max 250 on a maximum daily, and on the maximum loss I don't need to lose 500 of the account, meaning if I lose this amount of the account, that means I have lost the whole account, and I can restart again and I can purchase the same account again and again. So they gave me a minimum of 10 days to trade this one and a maximum of 365 days, which is quite a full year to trade and grow this account. You don't need to make mistakes, no rush. You have enough time to actually trade this account, and your profit share is 80% after you get funded, and your leverage is 1 to 20, and you can also scale. They can scale your account if they find out that you are a good trader and you are getting profit on a consistent pace. They can scale your account from a 10,000 to 20 to 30 to 50 to 100 and so on, as long as you show that you are capable. So you are using robots is allowed here, and you can also trade news. You can hold your trade during weekends, and you can only pay out 2 weeks after 2 weeks. It's really great, guys. This is really great. I can go through the rest here, but the description is actually the same. The only difference is the price that on a $25,000 account you have to buy it for 250, and if I can go for a $100 account challenge, I have to buy it for 750, which is very cheap compared to a lot of brokers that I have gone through. And on the aggressive one, you can see the percentage increase is 20, and they also here give you they also increased the maximum that you can lose on a daily, and also the maximum that you can lose on overall account, and they have the same days, which is minimum of 10 days, and 365 is the maximum that you can trade for that account, and the share is always 80. And you can customize these things, guys. I'm going to show you how to do it, and you can see it's 200 right here. That's the price, and you can go through everything, guys. I can put the link down in the video description. You can come check it out yourself. I can go to a high or a hair account, and I can show you what is the difference. Hair account have two challenges. You have to pass the phase 1 and phase 2, then you get funded. That's why I prefer going for a total account. Or you can also go to an instant account, which actually is right away. All you have to do is just buy yourself a 2.5 or $5,000 account. Then all you have to do is actually just get yourself going. All you have to do is get a $5,000 account. You target 10,000. I mean, you target 10%. The maximum loss is actually 5%. The minimum time or days you have to trade is 5, and the maximum is 180. These levels are actually amazing. If you really can do it, they can scale your account. If you are doing it, you can scale your account. You can see up to 1.28 million. Your account can be scaled as far as possible. So without wasting time, let me just go buy my account that I promised you. I'm going to buy this $10,000 account, and I'm going to choose. If you want to understand more on the information, they've written everything down on the description here. They drop down, and the maximum drawdown, the minimum time, the maximum time, no manipulation, stop loss required, funded accounts only, and you can see the maximum account risk, funded accounts only. They have all the rules set down here and explanation for you that you can go through with your own time. I'm going to choose MT5, not MT4. I have my own reason. You can go for whatever option you have. I have my MT5. I think there are more instruments to trade on MT5, so that's why that's my choice. And you can also chat with them. You can also chat with them right here. They have a chat right there. As you can see, there was a chat right there to still pop up in just a minute, just loading up. I'm looking for a slow and steady challenge that won't break the bank. Look no further than the 10K total aggressive challenge MT5. You can see you don't need a lot of things right here. So let's just get my account going. Let me just get my account going. So I'm not sure if I have chosen the right account. Let me just go back. I'm not sure if I have chosen the right account. I'm just going back to make sure I chose the right account. So you don't want to make mistake, because I'm choosing an account that I feel I can pass. I'm choosing the account depending on how I trade. So okay, this is a standard account, and I wanted a $10,000 account, and I'm going to choose MT5. Okay, that's all I wanted. Okay, as you can see, it's a $10,000 account, MT5, and I'm just gonna do it right away. These are customization that you can put, you can add. These are additional customization that you can add to your account. Let me say you want to increase your profit split up to 90, then that's a $20 additional account. You have to remove loss limit. I can remove daily loss limit. I don't want a 250 daily loss limit. And also I'm going to remove required stop loss on each on each trade that I'm taking. So that's my option. You can choose, you can customize with any of them. You can choose all of them if that's what you prefer, but the more you choose, the more money you are going to pay. So I don't care about profit. 80% of the profit is enough, but I want to remove required stop loss, and also I want to double the average for from 1 to 20 to like at least 1 to 40 or something like that, because that's the leverage I want to use. That's the leverage I feel I want to take care of. So as you can see, you can chat with them right here. You can chat with them. Just click on this chat button and you can chat with them right here. As you can see, I was chatting with them. You can also do the same thing, and they still have the rules written down here for you. You can go through the rules and you can read everything for yourself. You can read everything for yourself right here. So it's not actually a very complicated broker. I mean a very complicated prop firm compared to others, and you can just do everything. They have all the things that were prepared for you here. You can go through everything. Right here, I'm just going to cash out. Just going to check out my card, and after checking out my card, I will be back to you and explain why for more reasons, and I'm gonna make more videos while I'm trading this prop firm challenge account. So you can see that I've purchased my account. This is a $10,000 account that I have purchased. If I can just go to my email, you can see TradersWithEdge, your phase 1 challenge account. You can see I have actually already been approved in just like 2 minutes. So I have my account right here. I have my account. I can place a trade on my account right here. So you can already see. You can go to the rules and just you can see I've already purchased an account for 150 after this customization that I have made. So you can just go back and just rewind yourself of just try to remind yourself of what are the requirements that you have to uphold while you are trading the challenge on this prop firm. You can see you can just go through this. You have challenges that you can take, and you know what are the rules that you have been given to follow, and you're gonna trade under those rules. And every trade that you are taking, you know exactly what you are doing. So for me, it's a total type account that I took, and I have took a $1,000 account. And as you can see, I'm expected to raise my account up to a 10% increase, and also I don't need to lose more than 2.5, and which is 250, and not even more than 5%. That's an overall drawdown of my account. Shouldn't reach maximum 500, and I need to trade this with a minimum of 10 days and a maximum of 365 days, which is actually a full year, and I can make profit with that. And as you can see, the profit share is only after you have traded up to after you have funded, you get funded, and you can you get up to 80%, or maybe you can receive up to 90% if you did it on a customization. And I've increased my account average actually from 20 to 40, and I can they can scale my account if I'm a good trader. So basically, this prop firm is everything I needed. So I'm gonna go through this challenge with you. I'm going to open positions, and I'm gonna show you where I've ended every week, and I'm gonna give you updates. So what you're gonna do, maybe just follow me for more updates. I only have a few pairs to trade. I don't trade a lot of pairs. That's me. So I'm just gonna wait, because today is Sunday. I have actually purchased this prop firm challenge on Sunday, so I'm just waiting for Monday. Then I'll be taking my trades if I get a nice setup on Monday, which is tomorrow, and then I'm gonna grow my account to 10%, which is actually just $1,000. I'm gonna add to this zero, and I'll be eligible, and I'll be funded with a 10,000 real money account that I'm going to trade and make profit unlimited, and then I can have my account scaled. So for more videos of this prop firm, guys, for more videos, if you want more updates, just follow this same channel. I'm going to update you on everything I do. And thank you guys for watching. See you again on the next video. Bye.